keep warm along the sidewalk,
Goose is best friend.
he said.
She's not my friend. She's too big and too loud.
Just then Kip saw something. A cat was sitting on a window ledge.
Meow.
Said the cat.
Oh no.
Cried Kip. Kip started to run. The cat jumped up to him. Kip ran as fast as he could. So did the cat.
Ah.
Cried Kip. Suddenly, Bird and Goose flew over to Kip.
There you are.
Said Bird. Goose landed in front of the cat.
Honk, honk, honk.
Cried Goose. The cat got scared and ran away.
You saved me, Goose.
Said Kip.
Thank you. You are best friend.
Said Goose.
So you are my friends too.
Kip was happy to have two good friends.
I like Goose.
He thought.
It's good to have a big, loud friend.